Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel TechNet Guide. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you what is proxy server and how it's work. Hello friends, welcome to my welcome to my YouTube channel TechNet Guide. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you what is proxy server and how it's work. So friends, as we know that proxy server work as a mediator. So friends, so in this video we are going to learn these topics. Topic will be what is so friends so friends in this video we will learn what is proxy server, how proxy server works, advantage of proxy server and type of proxy server. So first let me show you what is proxy server. So friends, first let me show you what is proxy server. So friends, first let me show you what is proxy server. Proxy server work as a mediator. Proxy server work as a mediator between internet and client PC. So you can see without proxy server traffic direct going to internet. So from the any user from the any so you can see traffic direct to going to the internet and my all information direct going to the internet. So if any hacker try to hack my information from the internet, they can hack it. So that's why to overcome this issue, so organization to no so friends to overcome with this issue, organization use proxy server. So let me show you. So you can see proxy server work between client and internet, work as a mediator. So when client PC request, so when we install when we install proxy server, client PC send request to proxy server and proxy server will send traffic to internet. So it's work as a mediator. Okay, so let's see how it's work here. So you can see client send request with this IP address. Now proxy server will hide information of the client PC, then it will send to internet. Now you can see my client PC IP address 10.1.1.2 and it's going to proxy server, and proxy server will hide this IP and send traffic to internet, then send traffic to internet server behalf of client PC. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel TechNet Guide. Friends, in this video we are going to learn what is proxy server and how it's work. So friends, you can see. So friends, in this video we'll learn what is proxy server and type of proxy, and how proxy server works and advantage of proxy server, and in last type of proxy server. Okay, so first let me show you what is proxy server here. So friends, without proxy server, client request will direct send to the internet. So all information, all client information sending to the internet. Okay, so in between, what is the drawback? So in between any hacker is in between, if any hacker will try to access our information, they can access it. Okay, they can access it easily. Okay, so to overcome this issue, organization use proxy server. So proxy server work between the internet and the client. Okay, between server and the client. It's work as a mediator. So so client PC send traffic to proxy server, and proxy server send request to server behalf of client. Okay, now once client. Okay, so that's why you use proxy server. It's prevent like it's work as a mediator and hide all our information from the internet. Okay, so let's see how it's work here. So see, when client sending request to internet here with this IP address, now proxy server hide this IP and send request behalf of client PC. You can see is sending IP addresses to 23. Okay, now what will happen? Now server will send request via to so you can see client PC send request to proxy server. Now proxy server send traffic to server behalf of client machine. Okay, it will send traffic to server behalf of client machine. Now server will send traffic to the proxy server, and proxy server will keep this. Now proxy server keep this information in cache. Okay, and now server will send traffic to the proxy server. Now server will send request. Now server will send response to proxy server, and proxy server will keep copy of the information and keep in cache memory. Okay, will keep in cache, and another copy will send to the client PC. Okay, now client PC. So it's so you can see it's working as a mediator. Okay, between client PC to server. Okay, so client PC to internet. Okay, so it's also hide our information here. So now let's see what is the advantage of. So friend, let's see what is now friends advantage of proxy server. First, it will improve security. Now friend, first improve security. You can see it's hiding. You can see it's hide our original IP address, client IP address, and sending traffic behalf of proxy server, and sending traffic to internet behalf of client machine. Okay, you can see this is a you can see this is a proxy server IP address, and client PC IP address is 10.1.1.2. Okay, now server will respond to the proxy server, and proxy server will send server response to client PC here. Okay, so it's improved security because our internal information not public in the on the internet here. Okay, only our information will be till proxy server here. Okay, not on the internet. Now next is secure privacy. Now next advantage is secure privacy. Okay, in this Now in this, what will happen when client PC send request to proxy server? Okay, it will hide our information, all information, like what we are accessing here. We are accessing example.com, or is secure our privacy here. Whatever website we are accessing, what information we are taking. So whatever website we are accessing, it will secure our privacy here. It will not reveal to, this is not revealed to internet, like which user accessing what website, like that. So it will not reveal to internet here. So proxy server will send traffic behalf of client machine. Okay, now next is get faster speed. Get faster speed means, now once like as we know that proxy server keep information in cache. Okay, one client PC send request, okay, it will check in cache. Now proxy server will check in cache. If found in cache, it will reply from the cache memory here. It will reply from the cache memory. Okay, you can see. So it's a faster, not so. If found in cache, no need to go here. No need to go here. It will directly send to the. So that's why it's a faster speed. Okay. Now next is save bandwidth. Save bandwidth means, now you can see save bandwidth. So you can see it's sending when client request here. Okay, it will check if it's found in cache. Okay, if it's found in cache, then it will reply here. So bandwidth is saving its bandwidth here. Okay, is saving its bandwidth. You can see. So traffic will not go here. So that means it's saving its bandwidth here. Okay. Now next is control internet usage. Okay, so control internet usage. Suppose if if organization want to block any website like facebook.com, gmail.com, or other website want to block, then they can block with the proxy server. So let me show you. When client PC send request facebook.com, now it will check if there is policy or not. Okay, it will check there is policy or not. So like you can see, if policy not found, then it will blocked here. Okay, if any policy not found in the proxy server, then it will blocked here, that websites. Okay, now access blocked website. So suppose any like geography location, if you blocked this any websites, then with the help of proxy server you can unlock it. Okay, based on geolocation. Okay, you can unlock it. So now let me show you. Now friends, types of proxy server. There are two type of proxy server. Number one, forward proxy. In the forward proxy, server will be behind the internet. Okay, so user will be in organization and server will be behind the internet. So before internet, proxy server will be there. Okay, first user traffic will hit on the proxy server, then proxy server send traffic to internet behalf of user. Okay, hide user information and will send traffic behalf of user to the server. Okay, then it will send traffic to the server behalf of. Now server responds to proxy server, then proxy server will response to users. Okay, now next is reverse proxy. In the reverse proxy, you can see our client, our internet user. Okay, this user will be internet user, Okay, so internet user behind the internet. Okay, and this proxy server will be in organization here. Okay, so this server will be in organization. Okay, so when internet user trying to access, it will send traffic to proxy server, then proxy server will check in database and allow based on the policy, and also it will load balance the traffic to this client. Okay, load balance will traffic. So it will send traffic to this server. If this server is utilization is high, then will send traffic to this one, this server. Okay, so friends, in this video we have seen, so friends, this is a reverse proxy when user behind the internet. Okay, so when user is from the internet, then it's called reverse proxy, and server is in our organization. In the forward proxy, so in the forward proxy, client user will be in organization and server will be on internet. That's we use forward proxy. Okay, so friend, that means like so in proxy server will hide information of the client machine. Okay, user PC, IP address, and what they are accessing. They will keep, proxy server keep secure it. Okay, it will send request to the proxy server, and proxy server send traffic behalf of this user, send traffic to the internet. Okay, here is a server. Okay, here is a server, then so send traffic to the server. Okay, then server will respond to proxy server. Okay, server will respond to proxy server, and proxy server will keep of this information like in cache, and keep copy in cache, and then server will proxy server will keep copy to the cache. Okay, and then send response to the client PC, user PC. So all information will be hide in, like it will be secure in the proxy server, all user information. Okay, so user information will not going to the internet here. So that's why you use, that's why we use proxy server. Now let's see how it's work here. Okay, Janik ki janana manik manana.